Take your last crescent and place it in the circle. And then we're gonna work on our filling after this. Wanna smush all the dough together so that it will hold in the oven and none of the filling will fall out. Okay. Then we're gonna take a bowl. You're gonna add about a cup of sugar, an entire package of Philadelphia cream cheese. Just open it this way so you don't have to touch it. Put that right in. This is 1 tablespoon of butter. And we're gonna add some blueberry pie filling.
Wow, that looks good.
Not the whole jar, about half.
All right. So it's just sugar, butter, cream cheese, and blueberry pie filling?
Pie filling, yes, exactly. That's the main star of the show. Then you're gonna take a whisk and mix all the ingredients together. Right here, where all the crescents are touching, that's where you wanna apply the filling. Roll these up.
Oh man, I kind of missed the first technique. Let me catch the second one.
All right, ready? You just take it, tuck the tail under, and roll it up.
Okay.
There we go.
Wow.
So you want to make a little ring. There we go. And our final 2 right here. Here's the last one. Oh, I have to pick this up.
Wow, it's kind of like a little donut.
Yeah, it's like a pastry. It's like a donut. We're gonna put it straight into the oven from here.
Okay.
Okay, it smells amazing. I think we're done. Okay.
Oh, wow. Look at that.
Woo.
This looks incredible, babe.
Thank you so much. It does look really good, doesn't it? Okay, so we got a knife. I'm just gonna cut myself a little piece off.
The dough is like perfect. Yeah, you can hear that crunch.
Ready? And here's what it looks like on the bottom. It's nice and crispy on the bottom too. And you can just dip in the extra sauce. Make sure you blow it.
How'd it go out?
Really good.
Yeah.
Yeah.